my beautiful people, my lovely people all over the world. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, wherever una dey. I dey salute now. Now na girl CET concept na una dey see. So I say may I bring another wonderful tips we be say we dey find difficult for this fashion line. Now I bring come now. And before that, and if you don't want to say you won't know how to cut, you won't know how to measure, you won't know how to sew, I beg na the right place you did sew. And if you dey waka jejeje, you go see this channel where you pop out for your screen, and you say me you watch am. Ngwano na the right thing na you dey watch. So now welcome. And if you know say you know what, join the family, I beg you join no, because it is sweet, it is tori for real, it is sweet well. Una do well. So today now, I want to show now how we dey take the place our measurements, especially for beginners. How we dey take the fold down, how we dey take the know the quarter wey we dey talk about. Now I want to show now for this tutorial. The first thing we be say you go do as a beginner, or you want to do DIY, do it yourself. The first thing we be say you go take your fabric. If your fabric dey rough, you go iron am. Take iron, make you iron am, make it smooth well. After we don't do that now, you can take your measurements. You look for the largest part of your body where we say you won't work with. For example, maybe say you won't do skirts. The largest part be say now your hips. You go take them, you go input them, and before you input them, now I won't show you for here. So the first thing we be say you go know be say, let's assume say you won't put the front part into unfold now. You will consider. You see my picture here, so I bet Mona not my picture, I not sabi draw. Now the front, for example, now the front be this, because that one quarter we dey talk sometimes, especially for beginner, they confusing very well. How we take that and be say, you see this line way there in between, now be say the front get two parts, the right side and the left side. Likewise the back as well, they get two parts, the right side and the left side. When you add them together, it give you 4. Now it be the 4 we be say we dey take, they divide our measurements, we dey take, they divide our circumference. Maybe you want do you put your bust now, you go divide them by 4, because this 4 parts where you dey see, this one, the front get 2 now, 1 2, and the back also 1 2. When you add them together, it give you 4, making 4. So now the 4, you go take divide the thing you get. For instance, now my bust 36, the circumference, round circumference be 36. You go know say now 4, you go take divide down. Okay, you go divide down by 4. With my calculation here now, it give me 9. Okay, so after when you don't get that answer, we be say you won't take fold your clothes. You come, okay, how to fold 9 now? May I measure out 9? No. The thing what you go do be say, remember say this front, you get 2, 1 2, the right and the left. May I use my clothes? Now be this. As you say now your clothes be this, you go spread them. You spread them out like so. You see them, you see them well. You spread them. You come. Remember, say you don't divide your circumference into 4. Anything where you give you, just take your. Assume you say now your fabric wey you want use be this. You go come measure that 9 like this. I don't know whether or not they see them well. You go measure am out. Now the 9 be this. So you go come add 5. Now it be 14. You see am so. Now it be 14. So where that 14 reach, you feel notch am. After when you don't notch am, you can't bring this one. Make sure say your hand is there or the notch. You can't fold exactly 14. Take meet the other side like so. You can't meet the other side like so. You see am now. Now the front be this so. Make sure say it balance together. Anything where you get for up, now you go get for down. You see am so. So you go fold down. You see am like this. You go fold down. This place 9. Then this place 9. With the allowance making 14. So this 14 now, when you open am, e go give you 28. It go give you 28, including the allowance. So now the 9 be this. Remember, say we don't fold am. We don't fold am now, like so. Like so. So when we come measure am, make una see am. So assume say you want measure your bust first, 36. 36 divided by 4. You go put am like this. Now it be 9. You see our 9 plus the 5 we had 14. You see where it stops. So now like that you go take the fold your clothes. Remember, say front you get 2 parts and the back you get 2 parts. When you add them together, it give you 4. Now it be the 4 we they divide our circumference. And the one part of the body, now you go take fold your clothes. One part of the body, now you go take fold your clothes. You see now the front now. When we divide that 36, it give us a 9. You go put 9. You see, the right side get 9, the left side get 9. Likewise the back. So the 1/4 wey we dey talk now it be one part of the body where you divide. Now it be this 9. Now you go take fold your clothes, okay? Because when you don't fold them, you don't cover the fronts, okay? But for the back, the thing what you go do for the back be say you can add zip allowance. Remember, say we put 14 with the allowance we put for here. You can add 2 again. 2 plus 14 now it be 16. So you can add 2 like so. You can put on like this. Or may I just take another fabric? No, may I show now. This one now 14. This one are 14. So you go take your back. Assuming this is your back, I just use a different color. No, now take understand. So this black now your back. You come place some. You place the back like so. Remember, say the back too. I don't fold them. You see them? You fold them like so. You put them like this. Remember, say back. A big pass front because of the zipper allowance. So 14 for front, back go be 2, make it 16. You go put your 16. So you see now here stop. So it will be like this. So the zipper go come out. It go come out more than the front a bit. When I see so now 2 allowance, 2 inches for the zipper. Now they here so if you want start the measure now, you go fold the zipper inside. If you fold them inside, if na expert, we will just leave them because we know may you not dey confused if you dey measure them. So if you fold them inside, so everything will dey equal. So, as a beginner, you fit fold the zipper allowance. Remember, say that the zip will be this. The 2 inches we will come out. All together making 16. But the front now 14. But the back now 16 because we added 2 for the zipper. So, as a beginner, may you not dey confused if you dey put your measurements. You go fold them in. Remember, say make sure say the amount where you need for your zip. Now you go fold them. So everything will go dey equal like this. So if you want measure, you can put your tape measure for here. Now the same so you go put them. May it start from this edge. You go measure them. My bust 9. If you want put that, your that you go harder. So the sewing allowance you go put them. Okay. If to say now presence that you won't do, you go definitely you go replace the thing where you cut out. So now like that, you know they difficult, okay? So I believe say I don't understand that part. And skirt as well. If you want fold your skirt, the same method now you go use, except for flared. I will do video on that one next time. So with these basic bodies, you go understand how to fold the clothes. And another thing will be say, you know, if you remember, before una fold una clothes, because there are some clothes the back and front, they look the same, eh? I mean, some clothes, you as a beginner, you go dey difficult, you know, if you recognize the back. So the thing what you go do be say, you go look at this edge. You see this was wey dey here, e dey upside. This W supposed to dey here. You see am so. Now you go tell you say this side na wrong side. So this na wrong side. May I show you the front now. You can see the front how it do be. So now the was again be this. You see am now. So now this logo wey dey here, now you go tell you say na the right side you dey. So you see am. This was now here e dey before. But when you come turn am to the right side, e go come here and e go sit down well. You see am now, all the letter sit down well. E no dey like this. E no dey like this. So now see the difference. See where the edge dey. Now the wrong side be this, and the fabric look the same. So may you dey consider this one as well, because if you sew your clothes, when you wear am, e go look funny. So for lace, maybe the last part of the tutorial be say, if you want use lace for your garments, always consider the edge. The edge, maybe they consider am. Look at, because this edge wey you dey see for here, so look at this one and this one. This one dey shorter than this. This is shorter than this. So if you put am on fold and measure this side, by the time you finish the garment, you know, complete your measurement again, especially if you the length, it go affect the length of your garment. So for that not happen now, you go put your measurements like this. You go put your measurements like this. Not put them like this. So don't put it here. Put it in the middle. The inner part of the lace. The edge. Now you go dey place your measurement this side. I don't know if that they say well. So you go put your measuring tape for here and measure whatever you want to measure, except if you don't want to use the edge. But if you are going with the edge, if you are making skirts especially, and you want this edge to appear, don't place your measurement here. You place it in the inner edge of the lace. Okay, so now I won't tell now today. Now talk say me I show now. I believe say una don't get one or two things, and if you know say you don't gain one or two things from this video, I beg may you not forget to share, may you like am, may you comment, because now comments now they encourage me, they give me power, they do well. And if you know say you never join this family, I beg you, that subscribe button, may you press am. Tell your friend, tell them say now don't get one ogbonge woman will be say now pidgin English. You take the explain and we dey get am well. Una do well. I go see you now for my next video. Thank you. Bye.